Hi, I'm Suzanne. Welcome to my farmhouse kitchen. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your own homemade sour cream and crème fraîche. And all you need is heavy whipping cream, half and half, and the active cultures that are in buttermilk. Now you want to find the right buttermilk that actually has active cultures. Some of them don't, so you want to look on the label. I'll be using these deli containers that I got from a local restaurant supply store. And in one container, I'm putting my half and half, and that will be for the sour cream. And then the heavy whipping cream will make the crème fraîche. So the fat content has a lot to do with the final product. And if you were just to use regular milk, you would actually get buttermilk. So you can make your own buttermilk as well. Now, I got this buttermilk from a local dairy. And so I know that it's fresh and the cultures are active. And you want to use between 2 tablespoons to 1/4 of a cup. And that's what I'm putting in either one. And then I just need to give it a really good stir. And these need to be kept at room temperature. And that culture is just going to kind of multiply in there and thicken it. Now that we've got these mixed, we're going to label them. And then these are going to sit on our counter for 24 hours. And that culture is going to set. And these are going to thicken right up. And then we'll put them in the fridge. They'll thicken even more, and then they'll be ready to use. Now I'm just labeling these, and I'm going to put them on my counter. And I've also added the date, just so I know when I made them. And now here we are, a couple of days later after they've sat for 24 hours, and they've been in my fridge for about 24 hours. And here's what the crème fraîche is looking like. And this is just the most divine and delicious thing ever. It really does have that whipping cream taste, but there's more complexity to it, and it is just so delicious. And then the sour cream does have a little bit more of a grainy look to it than the kind you would get in the store, but there's no additives in here. And if you want it thicker, you could add a bit of milk powder to it. Well, it was that simple to make these two products. I hope you'll give it a try.